Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment rock while auto sale. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me and we will deal for this complete my lab at the Pearson course. I will do your all cumulative assessment, all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment and capstone assessment, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. So we will go to my lab at Pearson, go to Excel chapter 4, click on Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment Rockwell auto sale, click on continue button and reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. So click on download materials button, click on download all files button. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will open our instruction file first. Click on enable editing button. So the title of assignment XP22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative auto sales. We will increase the font size of this title for a proper view in my video and highlight it. Cumulative assessment auto sale. Under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instructions. The first question of this instruction is here. Start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment auto sales. Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this assignment we will have to download Excel workbook from my Pearson dashboard portal. So I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. I am going to opening my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Okay, this is my Excel workbook. Click on enable editing button. So moving on question number 2. Okay, convert the data to a table, name the table inventory and apply the gold medium style 19. The first point of this question is that we will convert the data to a table. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook. So we will go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button. So click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table right now. So the name of table is inventory. We will copy this name. Okay. We will have to assign the name of table to inventory. Go to the table design tab in the properties group. Click on table name box and we will enter this name is inventory and press enter. Okay. I have assigned the name of table to inventory and apply the gold table medium 19. Okay, now we will apply the gold medium 19. Go to the table design tab in the table style group. We will open table dialog box, table style dialog box. Go to the gold table style. Here is medium gold. Okay, is 12. So we will apply gold medium style 19. Okay, so we will apply gold medium style 19. Okay, so moving on question number 3. In question number 3, remove duplicates records. Okay, we will remove duplicates record from the table. Go to the table design tab in the tools group. Click on remove duplicates button. Okay, so we will click on OK button. 3 duplicates value found and removed. Click on OK button. So the next question is question number 4. Sort the table by make in alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by year smallest to largest and third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Basically in this question we will sort the table. The first sort the table by make in alphabetical order. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook. So we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter button. Click on custom sort. First level is make in alphabetical order. So the second level, add a second level to sort by smallest to largest. Sort by year. Okay, add a second level. Select year, smallest to largest. So the third level to sort by sticker price, smallest to largest. At the third level is sticker price. Okay, so click on OK button. Okay, this is good. Now moving on question number 5. In question number 5, repeat the field name on all pages. We will go to the page layout tab. In the page setup dialog box, we will go to the sheet row to repeat at top. Select row 1 and click on OK button. Go to sheet and select row 1 and OK button. This is good. I have done this. Repeat the field's name on all pages. So moving on question number 6. In question number 6, change page break to each vehicle, make it printed on a separate page using the tools located on page layout tab in the page setup group. Okay, change page break so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. Okay, so first go to the view tab. In the page break preview, in the workbook view group, click on page break preview button. So we will select each vehicle. First vehicle is okay, Civic. Second vehicle is here, F, and go to the page break layout tab. In the page setup group, click on break button, click on insert page break. So after Civic, we will select Prius. Again, go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click on page break button, click on insert page break. So the next vehicle is okay, Civic Prius. Okay, I have done all page. I have changed page break so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page using the tools located on page layout tab in page setup group. I have done this question. So moving on question number 7. Add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name code on the right side using the page setup dialog box located on the page layout tab. Add a footer with your name on the left side. Go to the page layout tab. In the page setup dialog box, go to the header and footer group, click on custom footer with your name in the left side. Our name is left side, Hassan, and in sheet name code, the sheet name code in the center, okay, the file name in the right side, and click on OK button. You can see I have inserted a footer. So question is done now. Now moving on, question number 8 of this assignment. In question number 8, freeze the first row on the flat information worksheet. Freeze the first row on the flat information worksheet. We will go to the flat information worksheet. We will select first row and go to the view tab in the window group. Click on freeze pane button, freeze top row button. So first row will be frozen right now. So moving on next, I have done 8 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 9 is that click or navigate to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table. Name the table sales and apply the green table dog style 11. First, we will click or navigate to the sales information worksheet. Okay. We will go to the sales information worksheet is switched now and convert the data to a table. We will go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button. So click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table. The name of the table is sales. The name of the table is sales. So we will have to assign the name of the table. Go to the table design tab in the properties group. Click on table name box and we will assign the name is sales. Press enter. So apply green table dark style 11. Okay, we will go to the table design tab in the table style group. Open table style dialog box. Go to the medium. Okay. Okay, go to the dark and apply the green table style dark 11. So moving on question number 10. Okay, type hash of sticker in cell E11. We will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell E11. We will type in the formula bar hash of sticker. Press enter. So the next question is question number 11 of this assignment. In question number 11, we will insert a unqualified structure formula. Okay, so total question of this assignment is 20. I have done 11 question of this assignment in my video. If you need help in this assignment or you want to complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So if you need help in this complete MyLab course, you can contact me and we will deal for this complete MyLab Pearson course. I will do your all simulation training, all cumulative assessment, all capstone assessment, all and midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. So easily contact me on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. So if you need help in other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, Macroeconomics, Math courses, Calculus and Pre-Calculus courses, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email and I will do complete course for you with A plus grade and I will help you with A plus grade. So I have done this complete assignment, but I just show you 10 to 11 question in my video. I did not show you complete assignment. If you need complete assignment, you can contact me. Now I will upload this file on my RTLab Pearson portal and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. Okay, so I'm going to save this file first. I'm going to save this file on desktop folder. Okay, and now I am going to my Laboratory Pearson portal and click on upload or submit for grading. We will select this file on desktop folder, click on open button, click on upload button. So this file is uploading. Click on continue button. Okay, I will show my grade right now. You can see I have got Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment, Rockwell auto sale, PC and Mac I have got 96.25 out of 100 points. It means I have got A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.